Hey there, Nicole Vanderwall here, search marketing specialist, and I wanted to take you through how to make sure that you haven't checked automated assets. This is a common mistake that I see in a lot of accounts that I'm auditing, and it's really tricky to actually find where you can uncheck these settings in your account. Bummer, I know. Google likes to make things hard for us. So I'm going to make sure to, in this video, show you where you can uncheck all of the automated assets really at the extension layer to make sure that Google isn't, creating site links, callouts, business logos, business names for your actually account so that you can really control and monitor all of the content that's going in your account. All right, so let's get to it. So now that we are in the platform, you want to make sure that you navigate from ads and assets to assets. And if Google has been automatically creating callouts or site links or any other type of extensions for you, then you should easily be able to scroll down and see automatically created under the source instead of advertiser. So advertiser is us, we've created these, but if you have seen or you've come across automatically created, then that means that Google has created those site links or assets rather for you. So one thing that you want to do in your accounts is you likely want to turn this off. So it is a little bit tricky to find. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys here. So under the assets, you want to click the three dots under more, account level automated assets. And then once you get here, we have to click the three dots more again to get to the advanced settings. And now this is going to give us all of the various automated assets that Google has on our account. So what you really want to do is go into every one of these and go ahead and click them off. So, just go ahead and click you want to retain more control. And then you literally have to just go through one by one and make sure that they're all turned off. So once you do that, then you'll want to likely go back out to your asset layer and make sure that you just remove or pause any of those assets that Google has automatically created for you. So if you like this video, go ahead and give a thumbs up. And hopefully you will be able to easily turn off any automated assets that are currently sitting in your account. Thank you.